A new landmark court settlement is changing how real estate broker agents are paid, and that's leading to a lot of confusion and concern across the country. Those rules may lead to lower housing prices, but some fear it could also mean fewer agents. NBC Bay Area's Damian Trujillo takes a closer look.
There are a lot of ramifications with the settlement agreement by the National Association of Realtors. So Keller Williams is out this week trying to clear the muddy waters.
Do I have to show a home if they're not offering buyer agent commission?
This webinar, hosted by real estate company Keller Williams, was broadcast to thousands of agents across the country. The goal is to help them better understand the new rules that could take effect in July if the courts approve this landmark deal.
It's just wanting a clear understanding. No one enjoys working, in an unknown.
The CEO of Keller Williams, Silicon City, says despite the perception that agents' commission rate was a set percentage, everything has always been negotiable. But before, the seller usually paid the commission of the buyer's agent or a portion of it. But under this proposed court settlement, the buyer has to pay their agent, and the buyer has more power to negotiate the commission before they sign on with the agent.
It will require a little bit more negotiation on behalf of both the sellers and buyers agents to understand the new, business practices that will be adopted most likely.
In that negotiation, the seller can still offer to pay part of the commission in order to speed up or lock in the transaction.
I don't know how feasible that really is for people with the amount of agents in the industry.
Larry Yang attended today's webinar to get some questions answered. He worries the new rules will dissuade many agents from representing buyers.
I think it would make a lot of people that want to get into real estate, especially the new ones, a lot of them will have a harder time to survive and thrive.
Yang says even some veterans might throw in the towel. What also worries the industry is the cost to buyers. Their agent's commission can't be included as part of the bank loan, so they'll have to pay out of pocket, meaning if they want to put 20% down, they might need 23% to cover the agent's commission if that's the rate they agreed on.
Everything's been working for so long, and now this is being brought up and making a big issue when it shouldn't be.
The webinar encouraged agents to demonstrate their value to buyers, to be extra transparent, and to not be discouraged by the changing of the rules. Damian Trujillo, NBC Bay Area News.